Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Just Say English.
Hi there. We're absolutely delighted you're joining us today.
This lesson will transform how you talk about your hometown in English.
I'm Ramo.
And I'm Sophia. We specialize in real-life English conversations.
If you're enjoying our lessons, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Your support helps us reach English learners everywhere. Thank you so much.
So, Sophia, how's your day going?
Wonderful. Perfect weather for learning. How about you, Ramo?
Feeling fantastic and excited. What's our topic today?
Super practical. How to describe your hometown confidently in English.
Everyone needs this. Where are you from trips up so many learners.
You know your hometown perfectly. Just need the right English phrases to express your thoughts and feelings and childhood memories.
Today we'll teach you simple expressions with real examples.
Let's introduce ourselves first. Ramo, where are you from?
I'm from Da Nang, Vietnam, beach city between mountains and ocean.
Beautiful. I'm from Melbourne, Australia, coffee and culture capital.
Two incredible cities, completely different. Ready to begin?
Absolutely. First question everyone asks, where are you from?
Easiest answer, just say the city name. I'm from Da Nang.
Perfect and simple. Add details only if they don't know it.
Like, I'm from Da Nang, central Vietnam, right on the coast.
Exactly. Always mention region like north, south, coast, mountains, islands.
Size matters too. Da Nang has about 1.2 million people, big city.
In Melbourne, around 5 million people live in the metro area, major city.
Quick viewer formula. That is, first you tell your name, second your location, and three your population, then done.
Let's practice together. I'm from place, it's in region.
Number people live there. Boom, perfect introduction.
Now the fun part. What does your hometown look like?
Start with what you see most: buildings, streets, nature.
In Melbourne, modern skyscrapers mixed with historic Victorian homes.
In Da Nang, tall beachfront hotels plus colorful markets plus Dragon Bridge.
Buildings first. Melbourne has the Eureka Tower, 91 floors high.
In Da Nang's Han River bridges glow bright colors every night.
In Melbourne's streets are famous for wide tram lines and laneways.
Da Nang, perfect white sand beaches plus marble mountains nearby.
Love these contrasts. Viewer tips for describing appearance.
Buildings, are they tall skyscrapers or low traditional houses?
Streets are wide avenues or narrow winding alleys.
Nature, ocean, river, forests, or surrounded by rice fields?
Practice example. My town has white stucco houses, palm-lined boulevards, and a big central park.
Beautiful. Now, what makes your hometown world famous?
In Melbourne, home of the Australian Open tennis and the world's best coffee.
In Vietnam, Da Nang is located next to UNESCO's Hoi An ancient town, and My Khe Beach voted world's best beach.
Amazing. Also, Melbourne's street art, famous Hosier Lane murals.
Da Nang's Dragon Bridge breathes fire and water every weekend.
What makes any town special? Landmarks, food, festivals, history?
We're famous for our spicy fish sauce. Biggest Lantern Festival.
Ancient pagoda on the hill, world's best mangoes.
Quick practice. My hometown's famous for special thing.
Perfect. Now let's talk about the people, the heart of every city.
Da Nang people, super warm Vietnamese hospitality plus beach lifestyle.
Melbourne folks, creative, multicultural, love their weekend markets.
Describe personality: friendly and chatty, quiet and respectful.
Lifestyle, people sip coffee outdoors till midnight, or everyone jogs at 5 a.m.
Jobs: tourism and fishing, or tech startups and universities.
Traditions, family dinner every evening, or moon festival dances.
And now, everyone's favorite conversation topic.
Weather. Exactly.
Da Nang, tropical paradise, hot sunny days, perfect beach weather.
Melbourne, 4 seasons in one day. Rain, sun, wind, repeat.
Describe seasons like scorching summers, chilly winters, rainy springs.
Temperatures, 40 degrees heat waves or freezing -5 degrees nights.
Special weather, morning fog, monsoon season, cherry blossom time.
You've got your complete 5-part formula.
Location, looks, famous things, people, and weather equals perfect hometown talk.
Time for the best part, vocabulary. 10 essential hometown words.
Word 1 is vibrant, means full of color, energy, life.
For example, Da Nang's night markets are so vibrant. Repeat, vibrant, vibrant.
Word 2 is bustling, means very busy, crowded with activity.
For example, Melbourne's train station is always bustling. Repeat, bustling, bustling.
Word 3 is nestled, means comfortably tucked between things.
For example, Da Nang is nestled between ocean and mountains. Repeat, nestled, nestled.
Word 4 is sprawling, means spread over a large area.
For example, Mexico City is a sprawling metropolis. Repeat, sprawling, sprawling.
Word 5 is quaint, means charmingly old-fashioned, cute.
For example, quaint little cafes line the streets. Repeat, quaint, quaint.
Word 6 is teeming, means swarming, completely full.
For example, markets teeming with fresh seafood. Repeat, teeming, teeming.
Word 7 is picturesque, means beautiful like a picture.
For example, picturesque fishing boats at sunrise. Repeat, picturesque, picturesque.
Word 8 is hospitable, means super friendly, welcoming.
For example, Vietnamese people are incredibly hospitable. Repeat, hospitable, hospitable.
Word 9 is overcast, means cloudy, gray skies.
For example, Melbourne mornings are often overcast. Repeat, overcast, overcast.
Word 10 is scorching, means extremely hot, burning.
For example, Da Nang summers get scorching hot. Repeat, scorching, scorching.
Perfect pronunciation, everyone. These 10 words make you sound native.
Now, let's see everything together. Ramo, describe a dream hometown.
I'm from Hoi An, central Vietnam. It's a quaint ancient town nestled along the Tu Ban River. About 120,000 people live in this picturesque UNESCO World Heritage Site. The town is famous for thousands of colorful silk lanterns lighting up every night during Full Moon Festival. Narrow streets are teeming with tailors, cafes, and street food stalls. People are incredibly hospitable. They invite you into their homes for tea. Weather is tropical, scorching hot summers, pleasant winters around 25 degrees Celsius. I love my vibrant, bustling hometown.
Outstanding! Covered all 5 topics plus 8 vocabulary words naturally.
Location, appearance, famous things, people, weather, all perfect.
Pause the video later and describe your hometown using name, location, size, what it looks like, what's famous or special, the people, weather. Use 3 to 5 vocabulary words.
Say it out loud. Record yourself. Don't worry about mistakes. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Question of the video is, what's your favorite spot in your hometown? Why do you love it?
For mine, My K Beach in Da Nang at sunrise. Golden sand, calm waves, fishermen boats. Pure peace.
And for me in Melbourne, that is Queen Victoria Market. Bustling stalls, fresh food, live music, perfect Saturday.
Now, your turn. Write 2 to 3 sentences in comment like this example sentence.
My favorite spot is the old city square. It's picturesque with a fountain and flowers. I love sitting there with coffee.
Let's quick recap. Master these 5 topics for any hometown.
Number 1 is basics. I'm from Seoul, South Korea. 10 million people.
Number 2 is appearance. Skyscrapers, narrow alleys, Han River parks.
Number 3, famous places or things. K-pop, Korean BBQ, ancient palaces.
Number 4 is people. Hardworking, polite, love late-night street food.
Number 5 is weather. 4 seasons, humid summers, cold, snowy winters.
Use simple sentences and our vocab words equals confident hometown talk.
Practice describing your hometown 3 times this week. Once alone, mirror or recording, once with a friend, once writing it down.
Start with easiest topic, location, build to hardest, people and weather.
Don't worry about perfect grammar, just communicate clearly.
If you loved this lesson, please give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe and hit the bell for daily English conversations.
We post new lessons to build your confidence.
Answer question of the day. We personally read every comment.
Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for learning with us.
You're making incredible progress. We see it in every comment.
Every practice session equals 1 step closer to fluent English.
Small daily practice beats hours once a week. Consistency wins.
You're not just learning words, you're gaining real conversation power.
We'll see your beautiful hometown descriptions in the comments.
Keep shining, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself.
This is your English journey and you're doing amazing.
Thank you for being part of Just Say English family.
See you tomorrow for more real English conversations.
Until then, keep talking, keep learning, keep growing.
Yay, everyone! Have a wonderful, confident day.